3 USA viral niches blowing up right now on YouTube and TikTok. One is pulling 100 million views on a single video. No face, no voice, no money spent. And you're probably sleeping on all 3. Niche 2 and 3 don't even need English. Anyone on the planet can watch, which is exactly why they scale so fast across TikTok and YouTube. I'll show you the numbers when we get there. First one, starting now. Niche 1, hyper-realistic bunker restoration videos. There's a YouTube channel called Home Magic, over 300,000 subscribers, millions of views per video. One video, just showing the restoration of a secret underground room, pulled over 100 million views. You're going to create the exact same type of content using completely free AI tools. The master prompt for this niche is in the description below. Here's the step-by-step. Step 1, generate your video concepts. Open the description, grab the master prompt for the bunker restoration niche, paste it into ChatGPT, and run it. ChatGPT will spit out 10 different video concepts. Each one comes with scene-by-scene image prompts, animation prompts, and a full voiceover script, everything you need. Step 2, create your visuals in Flow AI. Take the first video concept and head over to Flow AI. Select the Nano Banana Pro model, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and generate. Your first scene is ready in seconds. Download it. Now here's the key trick for consistency. Before generating your next image, upload the previous image as a reference. This keeps the lighting, environment, and atmosphere consistent across every single scene. Copy image prompt 2, paste it in with the reference, generate. Repeat this for every scene until all your images are done. Step 3, animate with VEO3 Lite. Now bring the scenes to life. Inside Flow AI, switch to VEO3 Lite. Set your first image as the start frame and your second image as the end frame. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the animation prompt for that scene, paste it in, and hit generate. First animated clip done. Do this for every consecutive pair of scenes until your full video is animated. Step 4, generate the voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the voiceover script. Paste it into ElevenLabs, select high quality, generate the audio, and download it. Step 5, edit in CapCut, import all your animated clips and the voiceover into CapCut. Arrange the clips in order. Drop the voiceover underneath. Trim out any silent gaps. Sync the visuals to the narration so the story flows naturally. Export in high quality. That's your first viral AI video. Done.
3 months ago, this place was nothing but ice and silence. Buried, forgotten, completely lifeless. But then, everything changed. Piece by piece, we broke through layers that hadn't moved in decades. Steel replaced rust. Warmth replaced freezing air. What was once a frozen tomb became a living space. Proof that even the coldest places can be brought back to life.
Niche 2, viral mechanical toy videos. This niche is blowing up right now. And the crazy part, no voiceover, no language. Anybody, anywhere in the world can watch these. And they do. Here's exactly how to make them. Step 1, get your concept from ChatGPT, open ChatGPT, and click Explore GPTs. Now search for mechanical toy generator and open the first result. Click Start the generator. Within seconds, it gives you 10 ready-made mechanical toy concepts. Pick any number you want. I'm going with number 10. Once you enter your number, ChatGPT gives you 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt, formatted for 6 different AI models. Your ideas are already mapped out. Step 2, generate image 1 in Google Flow. Copy the first image prompt and go to Google Flow. Select the image option, turn on all your desired settings, paste the prompt and hit enter. A few seconds later, your first image is ready. Download it. Head back to ChatGPT, copy image, prompt 2. Go back to Flow, set the image quantity to 1, paste the prompt and generate. Preview it, download it. Step 3, generate the video. Still inside Google Flow, switch to the video option, set image 1 as the start frame and image 2 as the end frame. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit generate. In seconds, Flow produces a clean, ultra-realistic mechanical toy video. Smooth motion, straight to post. Download it. Repeat this process for every scene. No voiceover needed. That's the beauty of this niche. It travels. Niche 3, viral haircut videos. This might be the laziest but most powerful way to go viral with AI right now. Today, I'm about to show you how to create insane animal haircut videos, the kind that instantly grab attention, stop the scroll, and pull in massive views on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. Just look at this TikTok account, Viral Mouse. Over 230,000 followers, 3.6 million likes. Some videos hitting 29.9 million views, 25.3 million views. That's not normal. That's viral domination. And here's why this works so well. People are obsessed with transformations, especially when it's cute animals turning into something unexpected. It triggers curiosity instantly. Then you mix that with celebrity-style haircuts, before and after glow-ups, and now you've got something weird, funny, and satisfying all at once. which makes people watch till the end and hit replay. We're going to use ChatGPT to generate powerful prompts and Flow AI to turn those prompts into stunning images and smooth cinematic videos. No paid tools, no complicated editing, just simple steps and crazy results. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate ideas using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for the animal haircut generator and choose mine. Hit Start Chat to launch the generator. It will ask you to choose an animal and a haircut style. I'm going with a lion and the curtains hairstyle. The GPT will then provide you with 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt. Copy the first image prompt. Step 2. Create images using Flow AI. Go to Flow AI and select the Nano Banana 2 model. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Select 2 images and click Continue. Paste your first prompt from ChatGPT into the prompt box and hit Generate. Once the image is ready, preview it and download it. Make sure the quality looks clean and eye-catching. Now repeat the same process using the second prompt to generate your second image. Once it's finished, preview it carefully and download it as well. Step 3. Animate images using VEO3. Now switch to the video section inside Flow AI. Choose the Frames option and keep the size at 9:16. Upload your first image as the start frame and your second image as the end frame. Then copy the video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. Once the rendering is complete, preview the video to check if the transition feels smooth and cinematic. If everything looks good, download the final video in 720p quality. The lion looked like it had an identity crisis. 2 completely different lions, so we need to fix that. Let's try a hamster now. Here are the exact prompts we're using. This time, we go with Nano Banana Pro. Start with the first image prompt and generate your before image. Once that image is ready, do not skip this part. Upload that exact image back as a reference for the second generation. This is the secret sauce. Now paste the second image prompt and generate again. Now look closely. Same animal, same environment, but now fully transformed. Clean, styled, cinematic, exactly what we want. Next step, switch over to the video generation mode and select frames. Upload both images, the before and the after, drop in your video prompt and hit generate. And just like that, boom, your second animal haircut video is done. And just like that, you've gone from 0 to a viral-ready AI video in minutes. Imagine posting one of these today and waking up to thousands, maybe millions of views hitting your page. This is the kind of content that grows channels fast. No experience, no budget, just smart execution and consistency. If you're serious about going viral, smash that like button, subscribe right now, and comment viral so I know you're locked in and ready for the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.